Hi everyone. Okay, this question says that if f of x is equal to negative 3x plus 5, determine the following. So again, here's our function notation. Now remember what f means in this case. In this particular case, it's referring to the rule, and the rule is multiply the independent variable by negative 3, and then increase the result by 5. The independent variable right here, being what's illustrated in brackets here, or the parentheses, is x. Move down to here. In this first expression, the independent variable has now been replaced with negative 3. So the rule stays the same. Multiply the independent variable, negative 3, by negative 3, and then increase by 5. Okay, well now negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, plus 5 is 14. Same thing goes down here. In this case, the independent variable has been replaced with a 5. So the rule stays the same. Multiply the independent variable by negative 3, increase by 5. Well, negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, plus 5 will be negative 10. Now, over here, C and D, I consider these the more interesting problems here because we're being asked to go backwards. In this case here, I'm telling you that the dependent variable, which is this whole symbol here, f of x, okay, represents the dependent variable. Here, I'm identifying that is going to be 8, and I want to know what the independent variable is. So in our function here, we would replace 8. So 8 is equal to negative 3x plus 5. And now we're going to try to figure out what the value of that independent variable is. So bring the 5 over. So 8 minus 5 will be 3, equals negative 3 times x. And so we can conclude that x equals negative 1, because I would divide by the negative 3. And then we do the exact same thing in this last one, except in this case, we're replacing the dependent variable with a negative 7. So negative 7 is equal to negative 3x plus 5. Okay. Bring the 5 over. Negative 12 is equal to negative 3x. And then by the quick division there, we see that x must equal 4. The independent variable is 4. And there you go. Just a little bit of practice in this question, going back and forth using function notation.